So check it out. I found another sound tender on eBay. This one has train sounds, which is not quite as good as rail sounds, but they still sound pretty nice. I like them. And so I got it for 15, as I said. It was missing a wheel, so I replaced that missing wheel. I cleaned up the roller pickups as well as all the wheels. That's usually what's wrong with these things, if anything. So again, we're taking a chance. We're going to see. I haven't tested it yet. So here we go. I also made sure that the train sounds switch was on, so that won't be a problem this time. Here we go. Oh, whistle works.
This is dispatch. We with a situation engineer. Stand by for my signal.
It works, but it's not very loud. We'll have to check and see if there's a wire off. So check it out. This was going to be another one of those will it work videos like I made before for rail sounds. This one is a train sounds tender that I picked up for 15 bucks. And when I went to run it, it was missing a wheel and it wasn't very loud. The sound, I knew something was wrong. And so I sprayed out the potentiometer, which is right here. It controls the volume, and still couldn't get any well, I got a little bit louder volume, but not much. So I had another train sounds tender that I took this potentiometer out of. Here's the one I pulled out of this one. And now I've got really great sounds, so I'm still pretty happy. You can hear.
This is dispatch. We are dealing with a situation engineer.
About 5 times louder than what it was.
Copy that. Out.
So we're going to put the shell back on it, and then we'll take it for a spin. We'll see how it works. But pretty happy right now that that's all it was. I suspect that that's what, if anything goes wrong with these, that's probably where it is in this little potentiometer thing. You just pull it out. It's volume control on these. So we'll get the shell back on it, and then we'll take it for a spin. Okay, so I have the shell back on. I also took time to clean the roller pickups, both of them. There's one on the front rear truck. And also, when you clean those pickups, you want to take a little bit of very light sandpaper. I used a 600 grit to polish the little copper strips that go over the wheels too, to make sure they're nice and clean. And the rear wheel on the tender is the one that has a little device on it that's just a little, looks like just a little wheel, but it's the one that makes the chuffing. So you want to make sure that the wiper that goes over, that copper wiper that goes over that wheel, make sure it's not too tight so that wheel spins as it should. Otherwise you'll get intermittent chuffing. So we're going to take it for a spin. You can check it out. Here we go. Okay, we got it chuffing really nice. It's not any skipping, and it's certainly a lot louder with the new potentiometer on it. The only thing I don't like about the train sounds tender is if you use a whistle or the bell, it turns the chuffing off for whatever reason. we'll pick the camera up and kind of follow the engine around a little bit. And we'll set the camera back down so it'll be ready this time. All right, so now I got another train sounds tender, so I can run that. I'll be setting up at Eldridge Park, which is parked nearby in Elmira, where I live. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.